Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a different type of video. As you can see, I have this edit on the screen. Um, you guys be seeing these little emoji edits on Instagram or whatever. And I decided to make some, but for my lip gloss page, which I'll have linked below in the description box. But today I'm about to show you guys how to do this edit. Um, You'll need 3 apps, I believe. Well, technically 2 apps, but yeah. So this is one of the examples of the little emoji edit that I did with my golden hour lip gloss. And then right here, this lip gloss is not out yet, but it will be out soon. And then also this lip gloss that is out called Pinkity Drinkity. My friend helped me with that name. But yeah, that's the video. This is my favorite actually. So I'm gonna show you guys the first thing to do. So first you want to go to Google and pick out the aesthetic that you want, and ignore my Google searches. Just random stuff. So what you're gonna do is search up emoji aesthetics. You're gonna choose whatever color. So I'm gonna choose rainbow because the picture that I'm gonna be using is rainbow. So you gotta search up rainbow emoji aesthetic, and you're gonna be using whatever color you want. So I'm gonna go to the images, I'm gonna click on them. So this one is a rainbow aesthetic. I'm gonna wait until it gets clear. Okay, so it's clear now. So as you can see, it has different colors. I'm gonna look through and see which one I like more. I gotta make sure the one that I choose has the little background with the little squares so that you don't have to edit it. So I don't think I like this one. Trying to find one that's like, I don't know. I think I like this one. I probably already saw this actually. Yeah, I definitely did. So I'm gonna just click on this one. So you want to go to the website, or if you can just download it straight from whatever. So I'm gonna go to the website and I'm going to download it into my phone. And you guys, when I talk, like just straight up just talk, I mess up a lot, so ignore that. So I downloaded the little emoji background. So what I'm gonna do now is go to this app, Cut Mix Studio. So I have an Android, so if you guys have Androids, this is the best app to use. If you have iPhone, you guys can just search up different things that will get rid of the background. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So I'm gonna click on the little plus and I'm gonna add a picture. So the picture that I'm going to be adding is whatever picture that I need for this. So I'm gonna try here. I'm trying to look for this one picture. This is a mess. I don't know where I have the picture. So I will be cutting some of this out, obviously. Okay, so I found the picture right here. So what I'm going to do is click on the little scissors, and I'm going to use the auto subtract. So literally, as soon as I do that, it starts to get rid of the background. You have to be careful sometimes because obviously it removes the colors that it sees. So I have to make sure I don't, erase the lip gloss because the tube and the little background is kind of the same. So if that happens, I'll just go to manual subtract, where it doesn't detect the specific color. It just, you erase it as you go, which does take a little bit longer, but it's okay. And by the way, you can try to make it as perfect as possible, but it really does not matter that much because of what I will be showing you guys in a little bit. So you just want to get rid of the background as much as you can. So just like this. So I'm gonna speed this part up so we can get to the next part. Okay, y'all, so pretty much done. Now I'm just going back and re-editing in some parts that I cut out on accident. Like this ball, I cut out a little bit of the ball. Which before this, I said it doesn't have to be perfect. So this is what I got now. So I'm going to save that picture. And then now I'm going to picsart, which is the main app that we're going to be using. So I'm going to go to picsart. I'm going to select the original one of this picture. So, and y'all ignore all of my other pictures. Most of my pictures have to do with my business. So, yeah. So I'm going to pick this one because that's the original. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a picture. So right here, click this, add a photo. So I'm going to add the little rainbow emoji thing. And I'm going to zoom it all the way in. Just like that. I do not want that one emoji right there. Okay. Y'all probably already know. Y'all probably know what I'm talking about. But I don't want that one in. So then when I do that, I'm gonna... So y'all are probably wondering, what is this girl doing? Where is the lip gloss? So what I'm gonna do now is add another photo. And I'm going to add the one I just edited. The edited version where everything is cut out. And literally all you do is line it up with the original picture. Just like this. Sometimes it clicks on the other one, but all you have to do is literally line it up as best as possible. So this is what I got. It looks like the ball is on top of the emojis, as you can see. I'm gonna try to line it up a little bit better. I think everything is pretty much lined up now. Just needs to be a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay, so I really wanted to say really quickly, so as you can see, the picture is a little bit darker, so you can also edit it to be a little bit brighter. So perfect. So this is the end result. Let me save it to my phone. And then go to my gallery so that y'all can see. So that's the finishing touch. So as you can see, like back here, for example, that little heart, it looks like the bowl is on top of it, which technically it is because we overlapped everything. So that's the finishing touch of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, you know, a few easy steps. Okay, so I had to record my outro, a voiceover because I started making some noise and it was like messing up the sound. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys check out my website. Everything is on sale. Mostly all of the lip glosses are on sale. A few other stuff are not on sale because those are like my crochet products or whatever. But yeah, everything else is on sale. And I also have a discount code for y'all to use. It's buy two, get one free. So it's BUY 2 GET, the number 1, and then F. I'm going to put it on the screen for y'all to see it better or in the description box. My website will be in the description. I think I said that. And also make sure you guys follow my Instagram. Make sure you enter my giveaway. You have to enter the giveaway if you want to get some free lip gloss. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and like everything. You know, support all the posts, comment. And comment on my recent post that you came from Instagram. Comment on my recent post that you came from YouTube. and I reply back to y'all. But yeah, make sure y'all enter this giveaway. There's 5 prizes in this giveaway, so y'all do not want to miss it. Anyways, bye y'all. Thank you for watching.